Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Viewers and subscribers, you don't know, so this killer, this is it. Mackerel Mother, Bill song. The song is Bill in pertaining to mackerel, you see me? Now, I'm going to play the song for you, but I just want to give you my opinion about this song. In my opinion, I think this song sounds very good. You see me, I say? It's a very positive sounding song. Even though the ulterior motive of it might be different, but it's a nice song, you see me? But anyways, I'm going to play it to you, Mackerel's Mother song. Leave a comment and let me know what you think about this song. You see me, I say? You see me, and as always, you don't know if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button to the Dancehall Skilla, alright? Because you know so me always keeping up to date, alright? So here is the review and about Mackerel's Mother song. I like it, it sounds good. Alright? Let me hear what you think. Observe.
My little daughter came into the kitchen one day while I was fixing supper, and she handed me a piece of paper that she was writing on. I looked at it and this is what it said. For sweeping the yard, $100. For picking up the trash, $50. For staying with my little brother while you go to the store, $200. For getting a good report card, $50. For coming home early, $500. Total in all, $900.